Find a company with its eye on the future, a company that is investing in its people, its processes, and its facilities. There will always be work and there will always be use for a company like County Materials.
As the construction and manufacturing industries continue to grow, so do opportunities for rewarding careers. Concrete manufacturing at County Materials requires the use of high-tech machinery, critical thinking, and creativity. We offer positions ranging from hands-on production to technically skilled and management roles.
If you come here and you buckle down, you work hard, and you put your time in, you can absolutely build a great career here at County. There is so much to learn, there is so much to do. Our ownership and our leadership puts a high premium on investment, and we will continue to invest in the future of this business. I really would encourage anybody out there thinking about starting their career to consider it at County.
Join the team at County Materials and receive on-the-job training, competitive wages, and valuable benefits. Let's build your future together. Together, we're building a company that hard-working people are proud to work for, live near, and do business with since 1946.